me. I come in and I'm going to sanitize my hands. So this is something that you're very familiar with from shopping or being places, so that people entering are not entering with the coronavirus on their hands. Okay, so your safety officers will be wearing a mask, but for the purpose of this video, so that everything is well understood, I'm going to take it off to be understood. So when you arrive, you're going to come to the reception area where we're going to screen people. So there are certain symptoms that we may all know about, but we will be asked how you're feeling, if you have a fever or a cough or any change. We know that even if you're asymptomatic, we have to be careful, so we have to respect the distances, but we will ask this of you. If you're feeling fine and you have no symptoms, then you can continue over to get your sanitized jack. So once you finished your screening, on you come here to get your sanitized jacks. All of these jacks have been cleaned, placed out for you. If you think they've been contaminated, if you have any doubt, there is sanitizer available for you. So you will take your sanitized jack and you will go to your rink that has been assigned to you. When you take the jack, you are the only person who will handle this jack throughout the game. When you're finished, only you again will deposit this jack in the used jack bucket. So the thing to remember when you come to bowl is you're going to sanitize your hands, you're going to come in carrying your equipment. Those are your bowls. Only you will be handling the bowls. Nobody will touch yours, you will not touch someone else. And very specifically, when you pick up the jack, you're responsible for the jack until you've deposited it into the used jack bucket.